Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Tuesday, and this is just going to be a quick little update on the 2024 egg plane group build. And this is the kit that I'm doing. And if you guys saw my last video, you already know that. So yeah, getting a little bit of the body done there. I've got some seam lines that I'm trying to get worked out on this. They're not too bad, but I wanted to try and fix them as best I could. And otherwise, I've just got some parts that I've painted. When I say painted, I'm mostly using primer, and these are the primers that I'm using, and I'm really liking how it's coming out. I've got the wings all done and glued together. So yeah, that's where we're at on that. The other thing that I'll be doing, like on the engines, they're going to be a steel color, and I've got them in primer right now, and I'm going to let that dry probably until tomorrow or something, and then I'm going to paint this Tamiya silver leaf on there and see how that looks. So yeah, I guess that's going to be it. Just a quick little update, and I will hopefully get some more bench time this week. Our weather out here in Southern Oregon is just schizophrenic right now. We're supposed to be almost 80 degrees today, and then tomorrow and Thursday we're not even going to hit 50 degrees, and they're saying overnight we could actually see a little bit of snow. So I will probably be getting some bench time in the next few days, and then I think Friday I may have to go to Salem for work and pick up some more def. So we'll see how this plays out. But anyway, hope you guys are having a great week so far, and we will see you on the next one. Bye bye.